Hello viewers, it's Motors&Me again. This time I'll be showing you how you can replace your standard halogen puddle lights with some new LED ones in your Mark IV Mondeo. So first thing you have to do is you have to move the mirrors all the way inwards so you can access the puddle lights through this gap right over here. Okay, let's do it. On this side and on the other side too. Okay, there we go. So through the gap you can see this, I hope you can see it, this metal clip right here. You have to push it in and downwards at the same time to get the puddle light out. So I'll be using an old flathead screwdriver. So to get it out, you should use a little force. There we go. A little bit more. Oh, there we go. Now just use your fingers to get it out. Like that. To replace the old ones, just plug them out. Plug the bulb out and plug the new lights right in there. Okay, does it work? Yes, perfect. Now just put them back in there. Come on. There we go. That should do it. And the same goes for the other side. The old one out there. It's a little tricky. Come on. It should come out. There we go. Now pull the old one out. Take the bulb out. And put it back in there. Does it work? Of course it does. There you go. That's how you replace the puddle lights. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.